we made it back, didn't we, Milo? We made it back over here. We were always going to make it back for another picnic. A lot of boats over here today. We went out there and watched them put the boats in for a little bit. Remember our little picnic table over here, Milo boy? We had our picnic at about a year ago, I guess. What that's about up there. My little Milo just seen a couple of little big dogs over there. Oh, I know, boy. See him up there by that tree. You're gonna hurt yourself, Milo, if you're not careful. There's that boat we seen earlier, making all kinds of noise. He left, but I guess he's coming back now. Nice boat. It makes a lot of noise. Back to pick up somebody is what he did. picnic on last time, Milo. Remember? We sat right up there and watched everybody putting their boats in and stuff. Boy, a lot of things happened since then, I guess. Well, thank you guys for joining Milo. Thank you for joining Milo's new adventure today. We're just over here watching them put the boats in again. We made it back finally after all this time. It's getting pretty busy right now. So this would probably be about the time that I should come out next time I get to come back again. They're waiting. There's like 4 or 5 people waiting deep here. All right, you wanna go down? All right. A lot of people waiting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The ramp's completely full over there. And there's 5 cars waiting. Wow. Look at this backup. Here comes another guy. Here comes another one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people waiting to get in here. So if you come out to this one, it's by DeLand, by the St. Johns River. Come early. When we first got here, there wasn't really anybody out here. But look at everybody now. Now this guy's going to be wanting to leave. Wow. I'm not sure how he's going to leave. Pretty intense out here now. Well guys, thanks for joining Milo and me on his Milo's new adventure. All these people here are waiting to get into the boat ramp. There's 2 more sections of the boat ramp that could be open, but they weren't open last year when I was here, and they're not open now, so I guess they don't use them anymore.